Hello everyone. What is the estimated average salary of a cleaner in Kazakhstan? The average annual gross salary is $2,900, or roughly $242 per month. After tax, the average net salary is $2,320 a year, or about $193 each month. In Almaty, the gross salary is higher at $3,422 yearly, or roughly $285 per month. The net salary there is $2,738, or about $228 monthly. This higher city pay may come from living costs, busy buildings, and more commercial work. Experience, special cleaning skills, and night shifts can also lead to higher pay. Entry-level cleaners usually earn less, while senior cleaners may earn roughly double. Please like the video and leave your salary in the comments. Thank you for watching.